Hey guys, welcome back to another one. Got some good news earlier today if you are a Binance coin holder. This is the Twitter for the CEO, CZ, to make it easy for Binance. And if you check out his Twitter, we'll scroll down just a little bit, and 18 hours ago we can see that CZ replied that there should be another Binance burn between July 15th and 18th-ish. That's great. If we look at, the 15th Binance burn price effect, you can see these are the days leading up, past the Binance burn, and you start at $255, and due to the burn and as well as the market, but the price of the Binance coin went up to $638, and they burnt 595 million coins of BNB, which is awesome. So the next one should be in a couple days, about a week or so. And burning the coins, it's similar to, whenever we have popular companies like Apple, Microsoft, Google, they have stock buybacks. It's something comparable to that. So they're just making the total supply lower, which in turn boosts the value for each one of your tokens or coins that you do have. And here's another article from Binance, which kind of highlights it's the 15th BNB burn, so that previous one, and just some of the positive outcomes from it. Kind of like I said, Binance burned a total of 1 million BNB, which was about $595 million. And then we'll scroll down a little bit more and check out some more stats. So the 15th burn was the highest ever US dollar. We'll see, I think the 16th one will have more to come. They've been kind of raising the bar at each burns year by year. So, with year one, it was only 986,000 BNB. And then, you fast forward that throughout the years, 9 is 2 million, 11 is 3 million, and then hopefully with burn 16, we'll be up to that $2 to $3 million mark again. But keeping in mind, the dollar amount has definitely increased as well because the token price has increased. So looking at a couple things, making the price jump over the past year, they're building a community. Over the last 3.5 years in particularly, it's been growing quite exponentially. The growth in general of decentralized finance and all the other projects that are included on the Binance Smart Chain, and Coinbase, even though they're a direct competitor to Binance, it does help Binance because the more people that you can get into the crypto space in general, the more people that will reach out, past Coinbase into Binance. And another key factor there is Ethereum, a competitor to Binance Coin, and the fact that Ethereum's gas fees are so high, it's just pulling people to Binance because their gas fees are a fraction of the price. And then most importantly, the support and contributions of the Binance ecosystem is what they said. And looking at some more stats for BNB burns, you can kind of see it. USD values, the USD values have been steadily increasing throughout the years, starting with 1.5 million. And then, at year 10, we can fast forward to there, it's 38 million. Year 12, they burned $60 million. And then year 14, $165 million. And year 15, $595 million of coins burned. And if you look at this, about 1% of the supply, each and every one of those burns, which is pretty awesome. So that just means, once again, the supply is getting smaller, and due to the supply getting smaller and the demand either staying the same or increasing, means that, the overall price is going to continue to increase. And for those of you who don't know, here's the overall Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. So there's a little bit of everything here, separate wallets, there's games, communities, tooling, and then the biggest portion of it is their decentralized finance apps, which, there's a bunch of different exchanges, NFTs, lending, yield farming, oracles, derivatives, and stable coins as well. They go on to talk about the bull run, which we all know about and kind of brought each one of us into crypto one way or another. And then, let's see, last year they unveiled Binance Pay and the Binance Blockchain Week in February. They have the Binance Card. They have launched Binance Lite, which is the user-friendly version. It helps out a bunch with the newbies. And as of March 2021, the Binance Launch Pool to help out successful crypto projects. So that's all in all, just a quick overview for the upcoming, hopefully, Binance burn between July 15th and 18th. Hopefully they can burn a little bit more than last year and make everyone's Binance coins go up in price. Until then, see you next time, guys.